HA and HB are two strong monobasic acids. Mono means one hydrogen can be donated, one proton can be donated, and one proton. So it won't be H2 or H3, it will be H. So mono means one. Now, and they have the volume and their concentration. So that too has its own volume and its concentration. You can see they're different and you're adding them together, so they will form a new solution. And it's asking what is the H plus concentration in the new solution. Okay, so for HA, why don't we work out the mole first in HA? So for HA, we know that mole is concentration times volume. So that's what mole is. And that would be for HA. The concentration is 6. And we're going to times that by the volume. So we convert that to decimeter cube. So that would be 25 times 10 to the power minus 3. Because you have to divide that by 1,000 to get to decimeter cube. So 25 centimeter cube will be equal to 25 over 1,000 decimeter cube. That's what that is. If you divide it by 1,000, you're timesing it by 10 to the power minus 3. And that is basically 0.15 mole. So that's a mole of that. And for HB, you have a mole for that will be concentration times volume. And the concentration is 40, well, the volume is 3. The volume is 45. And you go to concentration, which is 3. So you go to get 3 times 45 centimeter cube. That will be times 10 to the power minus 3. And that would be, and do 3 times 45 times 10 to the power minus 3. And that would be 0.135. So that's 0.135 mole. So we can see the mole for those ones are, if we add all of those together, the two moles together, if we add them together, we're going to get 0.285 mole. So that's the total mole in the solution. And what is the total volume in the solution? Well, we've got 45 plus 25, and that will be 70. So the total volume is 70. We've got a mole. So now we can calculate the concentration. We know that concentration is mole over volume. You can see I divide both sides by V. So total concentration now will be mole, total mole over volume. And the total mole is 0.285 divided by the total volume, that's 70 times 10 to the power minus 3. If I take the calculator and I use the fraction key, and I've got 0.285 and 70 to the power minus 3, and that's 4.07. So that'll be 4.07 mole per decimeter cube. So the concentration will be 4.07 mole per decimeter cube. So I had to find the total concentration, total mole, and total volume, because you're mixing two things together. You can work out the mole, you work out the mole and the second mole, add them together to get the total mole. Then you add up the volume, 20 plus 25 plus 45, that's 70. Convert the volume to decimeter cube. Total mole over total volume will give you the total concentration. So that will be the concentration total.